Hey guys, welcome back to Yak TV. I'm Lauren.
And I'm Nicola. Hey Lauren, aren't you in your last year of university?
Sure am.
Does that mean you're almost constantly plagued by past mistakes and concerns for the future?
Yeah. But that doesn't mean you have to be. Here are some common mistakes last year students make. The best thing about last year is that it's not too late, whether it's bumping up your transcript, joining that club or scoring that internship. Last year's a perfect opportunity to take what you've learned and end on a high note.
How's your academic transcript looking anyway, Lauren?
Yeah, It can be hard to think that you won't be back here next year, so now's the perfect time to make use of some great university services to prepare yourself for whatever comes next.
Well, where should I go if I need help with my resume or a job application?
Here, the Student Services building has a careers service where you can do all of that and more.
Well, what if I need to talk to someone about stress or other issues?
Also here, all UON campuses have counselling services. There's also Skype drop-in sessions where you can contact a counsellor. Just follow the link for more information.
You know what? It's been a long day. I need someone to chill out. Nice.
Your last year can be pretty intense, so make sure to kick back and take advantage of the uni lifestyle while you still can. Last but not least, remember to have fun. Now could be your last chance to get involved with events like the Halloween party, the mid-year party, or any of the other great events here at Bar on the Hill.
Check out their website to see what's coming up. Well, Lauren, how are you feeling about your last year of university now?
Much better. I'm off to go and do an assignment, then to the career service, then to go and see my friends. How about you?
I'm off to the library to watch some random Simpsons videos for a few hours. I'm still just a second year after all.
Sounds good. Good luck, guys. I'm Lauren.
And I'm Nicola.
And you're watching Yak TV.